Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today's video I have the most exciting, which is my makeup collection. This is my 2021 makeup collection. If you have watched my video last year, this has been an insane upgrade, I went from having one drawer of makeup to now 10 drawers of makeup. It is a lot. I know it is a lot. So this year I shifted to a new place. If you have seen all the moving vlogs, make sure to check that as well. I've created a organizing my makeup video. So if you are interested in watching this, then you might be interested in watching that as well. So let me just show you my vanity first of all. It has been an insane upgrade because I just went from living in a small room to now a much bigger room. So this has been very exciting, so I want to take you through it. Okay, so this, as you can see, is my vanity. You might be familiar, this is the IKEA Alex drawers. I bought two of them and I bought this tabletop again, which is from IKEA. Now if you see in my vanity over here, oh by the way, this is another vanity as well, which you will see. I've created a video of this, which is my skincare collection. All my skincare is in here, so make sure to check that video. But for now, today's video, we are going to dive into this one. I have a photo of New York City, the Empire State Building. I love New York, so I have just kept a photo of that over here. I have my makeup brushes, which I usually keep in this, but for now, for the video, I have just kept it here. Then I have this mirror, which is from Nastasia. I got this, is really cute, so I just kept it over here. I wanted it to be gold, but then I found it in white, which is also a good thing, so I've kept it here. And then I have my born on Instagram, what can we say, frame which they gifted me. So as a born on Instagram recognized creator, which is a great thing, so Instagram gifted me, so I'm just keeping it here. I really love how cute it looks. Also, if you have seen, I have this mirror also they gifted me this pillow as well, which goes on my couch bed. Ignore the mess, it is a lot over here. But let's move on to the vanity. Let me take you to the first drawer. From here we'll go like this. Okay, so the first drawer, if you open it, you can see all my new in stuff. So this is all the makeup and skincare basically which I've received, which is new, which I have to try, which is not opened. So these are the stuff which aren't opened right now. I want to try these, so this is the first drawer. Now let's open the second one. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my primers drawer. I have quite a lot of them, as you can see over here. So I've categorized according to the type of primers which are available. So this is the illuminating primers. I have Flower, Mars one. I have Take a Go from Mars, again Lakme, Pixie. Then I have more of a high-end kind of stuff, which is the MAC one. I love this one. This is the pink one. Yeah, Pinky Light. Then I have Rare Beauty. So I have these over here. Then I have the, usually what happens, I just keep it like this and then it just slides down. So then I have like my pore filling primers, which is like fills up your pores basically. So I have my Glam, Rimmel, I have my Smashbox one over there, Nykaa. Inside I have my Benefit Professional. Again I have this one from Fit Me. And then next up we have the more of like a hydrating kind of primers. Now this usually goes in here, but I just kept it here. So I have my Mars primer, I have my Fit Me one, I have my Too Faced one over here, and again I have this hydrating one, which is the Bobbi Brown one. Maybe I think I should like add one more over here, and all my hydrating ones over here. And here I have all my facial oils. Not all my, I have like only two of them basically, so I just put them over here because this is also a part of my priming routine. And these are all my color correctors. So I have Mars one, Pixie, again K Beauty color correctors. I have one more which is behind. This is the Cuffs and Lashes color corrector. So This is my second drawer filled with primers. Next up we have, ta-da! Okay, so this is all my blush, highlighter, contour, powder, setting spray. I don't have insanely a lot, but yes, still it is a lot. So let's start from here. We have the liquid highlighters, illuminators kind of stuff. So we have Swiss Beauty, Rare Beauty. This is the cream contour. So basically I have LA Girl, Swiss Beauty, and then this is from Wet n Wild. Now this is like a mixture. So here I have my mini elf palette, which is the blush and highlight palette. Then I have cream blushes in this, also some other blushes, and a slight what is this, I forgot the name. What is this called? Wow, this is a bronzer. Yeah, so I have Rare Beauty, Elf, Benefit, all of that. And then I have this. I have arranged my blushes and bronzers again in here. If I like go on and talk about every single product, you will be here forever. Then next up I have like my palettes, so blush and contour highlight palettes. So I have My Glam over here, I have K Beauty over here, and then I have Nykaa over here. Next up, these are my powders. So I have all my K Beauty powders, and also a little bit of highlighter is here. Again, I have my Mars powder, Maybelline powders, sugar loose powder, again my compacts, and a small sugar blush over here. And at the end, I don't know if you can see, but I have my setting spray. So I have my Anastasia setting spray, I have my Swiss Beauty, Pixie, I have my PAC palette, highlighting palette. So that is basically my highlight, powder, blush kind of a palette. I also lost one blush, which is very, very disturbing to me. I had the berry blush in from K Beauty, and I cannot find it. I just want to cry, like, yeah. But let's move on to the next drawer, which is my favorite drawer. Comment down below what you think, which is my favorite drawer. This is my favorite drawer. Ta-da! You guessed it right. Props to you. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette drawer. I love eyeshadows more than anything else. Okay, now I didn't really want to, like, eyeshadows are easy to organize, so I was like, I didn't want too many organizers as this one. Like, as this have kept like a lot of organizers, I've kept like 6 of them in here, but for here I was like, it's not really that necessary. So inside, as you can see, I have all my Anastasia, Huda Beauty, Morphe eyeshadow palette. I have my James Charles Morphe. I have my Makeup Revolution, Friends Revolution eyeshadow palette over here. All my big ones and like high-end ones I kept in here. Then I have like square ones, which are smaller in size. I have my PAC. This was like my absolute first palette when I started creating content as a beauty creator. And as you can see, I have literally, oops, very difficult to open from one hand, but I've literally hit pan on this brown shade. I absolutely love this brown shade. Then I have my Huda Beauty palette, Nykaa K palettes. Again, I love these over here. I have my Swiss Beauty palette. I have the recent ones I received, which is the Mars palette. So these are like my square chotu palettes, and these here, as you can see, are my bigger kind of palettes. So I have K Beauty, I have Cuffs and Lashes, I have Stay Quirky, then I have Nykaa over here. I have like Mars ones over here. Again, like the same, like Wet n Wild. All of these are kept here. I have my Colourpop over here. These two. Then I have Elf, Cuffs and Lashes, and Mars. So these I'm just keeping like this, not really like extremely organized, but yeah, I know which palette is situated where. And here I have all like my cream eyeshadow sticks. So I have My Glam, I have K Beauty, I have Kiro Beauty, I have Mars again as well over here. So I'm just keeping all of that here, and this is my favorite drawer. I love this drawer. Lastly, this is insane. This is my lipstick drawer. I again love this one, but my absolute favorite is eyeshadows. So I have these three drawer dividers over here, and then I've also kept this lipstick container which I got from Amazon. I got it for 200 rupees only. But yeah, this is what I got. I have color coordinated my lipsticks. So these are my red lipsticks, a lot of them. I don't really use many reds, but yeah, I have a lot of reds over here. I have pinks and purples over here, as you can see, a lot of them. I have K Beauty, Nika, Lakme, all of them. Again, this is the recent one I received, which is the this is the Money Heist collection, which is the Tokyo one. Amazing lipstick. Then here side me, as you can see, I have very less like lip pencils. So yeah, those I've just kept it right here because no organizer will fit in here. I have this 5-in-1 lipstick from Cuffs and Lashes. So it's just kept here. Then I have my nude lipsticks, which is going a bit out of situation, out of hand. I have a lot of these liquid lipsticks, like insanely a lot. Like all the nude lipsticks which I have are situated over here, and I feel like they are going to go overflow in any time now. And then I have all of these bullet lipsticks over here. If you've seen my organization video, you'll see, you know, all my ColourPop ones are here. Blur, again Blur. I have my Inside Cosmetics one over here. I have my MAC. I have Morphe in there. Let me just remove you and show you. Wait a minute. This is also again very difficult to remove. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have my Rare Beauty. I have Iba, I have Nika, this is some other brand, I have Morphe. So all of them are stored in here. All the bullet ones are here, not color coordinated, just kept according to the type of lip product. So that is basically my lipstick drawer. So one of my favorite ones are this Flower Beauty one. I am also have Verified, which also is amazing. I have the shade Latella. It is perfect. Let me show you. Look at this. This is like my shade, so you can see right now. Yeah, this is Latella. So this is also what I'm using currently, and this is very difficult to close from one hand, but I'll just close it later. Okay, now let's go on to this drawer. So the first one is very miscellaneous. This has all my lip balms and beauty blenders in here. Don't ask me, it's just very random. I want to organize it. I'll probably do it sometime later, but yeah, that is my beauty blender and lip balm and miscellaneous wala drawer. Next up, I have all my mascaras and eye kind of products. So as you can see, I've drawer divided it like this. So here, as you can see, these are my mascaras. Again, my mascaras, I have a lot of mascaras, so I've just kept it like this. These are all my eyeliners, like liquid liners, pencil liners, gel liners. I have from L'Oreal, I have one from PAC, and then these are all my kajal pencils, like kohl pencils. So I have quite a few of them. Like I have My Glam, PAC Cosmetics, Wet n Wild. I have Kiro. I love this one from Kiro. This is like brown, so I really like this one. So that is that. Now if you move forward, you will see this is my brow section. I don't really have too many brow products because my brows are like bushy and thick, so I don't do much to it. But I have the Anastasia brow gel. I have the elf one. I really like this one as well. I have the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have one from Maybelline as well. And these inside, I don't know if you can really see, but these are all my lashes stored inside. So I've stored all my lashes in here. It's just very messy. You know, just don't really need too many like organizational stuff. I've just dumped all my lashes inside of over here. Let me just show you. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, all my lashes are in there. Okay, so next up is another heavenly category, which is my foundations and concealer drawer. This is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a minute to go through all of it and have a look at it. So these are all my high-end kind of foundations. I have my K Beauty, I have Rare Beauty. Absolutely love this. Like, this is my absolute favorite ones. I have my Too Faced, again love these. I have my Bobbi Brown one, I have Estee Lauder, and my MAC one. Again, recently tried it out and fell in love with this one. So this is my MAC one. You can even keep like foundations like this in this drawer. One of the amazing things which I think is that, you know, I can keep my foundation like this and it won't, you know, fall down. And from here I have my drugstore kind of foundations, like a few more affordable. I have my Fit Me, like 3 of these Fit Me's in all different shapes and sizes. So I have the Fit Me sachet, I have the Fit Me tube. I'm in the shade 220 if you can clearly see. I have the Fit Me glass one. I have my Lakme. I absolutely love these two ones in the affordable range. I have LA Girl, I have purple. Then here a few more ones in tube sizes. So I have my Eba Cosmetics, I have Nykaa Skin Shield, Mars BB Cream, I have my L'Oreal Infallible, I have my Maybelline Superstay, again love this one. I have my Makeup Revolution, and then the My Glam Street Love Care foundation. So those are kind of my foundation drawers. I love these. Okay, so these are my concealers. I have my Mars concealer over here, Eba Cosmetics Fit Me, Swiss Beauty. I love this one. This is so freaking good. Like, I use this so often, like for everyday use. I feel like this is so amazing. I have my LA Girl Pro over here. Again, really love this one for satin finish. Here I have a bit more of my what can we say, like the concealers which give you, you know, a crazy full coverage finish. So I have my L'Oreal Infallible one over here. I have my NY Bay. I have my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, Rare Beauty concealer. I have my Maybelline Instant Eraser one. Oh my god, this literally is finished. I love this one so much. Like, if you want extreme full coverage, my absolute favorite ones in the affordable one are the Infallible one, this one, and the Maybelline Eraser concealer. So that is my concealers. I don't have like insanely too much amount, but yeah, I think this is again a lot as well. Okay, so if you have seen my skincare collection, this is my moisturizer drawer. I love moisturizers, and I did not have, like, you know, moisturizers are these big oops, so sorry. Moisturizers are these big tubs which need a lot of space. So I kept all my moisturizers in here, as you can see. If you have watched my skincare video, you will know that. But for now, let's move on to the last drawer, and this is basically my hair care stuff. So my hair care tools are in here. So this is the blush, blow brush from Alan Truman. It is really nice. I have my straightener, which is the Philips one. People keep asking me. I have used this for years and years, and it is amazing. Like, I really love it. And my curler again is from Vega, and all my hair care products are in here. So my Vela what is this, Vela hairspray, Strix hair serum, L'Oreal hair serum, all of this is in here. And that is basically my vanity. As you can see, I really love this one. This is the first time, wait, so what I was saying was that this is the first time I'm having a proper vanity. So I'm excited to, you know, start creating content and just have a clear space. Before this, my makeup just never ever fit into this, you know, my vanity, and it was extremely difficult for me to find makeup. And now it's like I can find it very easily. Plus I have a lot of space in my vanity, you know, which means that I should not hoard makeup. But yeah, I mean, I can put a lot more makeup in this, but I'm not going to. I don't want to hoard. I don't want to buy a lot of stuff. So yeah, but yeah, that was my makeup collection. You will be seeing my closet tour very soon. I hope it is my next video. I am not sure, but make sure to subscribe and watch all my other organizational videos, because that is going to be insane, you guys. Like, you are going to love it. So yeah, I will see you over there. Bye.